making the most of your Cambridge English results. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another exciting video on mastering the English language. Today, we'll delve deep into how to share and verify your Cambridge English exam results for third parties. This is crucial, especially if you're using your results for job applications, university admissions, or visa purposes. Let's dive in. Before getting into the how, let's understand the why. Many institutions, be it educational or professional, often require verified English proficiency levels. Your Cambridge English results are internationally recognized, and when you share them, it vouches for your abilities. However, to prevent fraud and ensure authenticity, third parties often seek verification. Now, let's understand the process step by step. 1. Log into your Cambridge English account. This is where all your results are stored. 2. Find the Share Your Results option. It's usually in a prominent place, given its importance. 3. Select the third party. They might be already listed, or you may need to add them. 4. Share. Once shared, the third party can view, but not edit or change, your results. This is where it gets a tad technical, but stay with me. 1. Third party requests verification. Once you've shared your results, the third party, be it a university or an employer, may want to verify its authenticity. 2. Cambridge English provides a verification service. It's a tool that allows organizations to check the validity of your results. 3. You stay informed. When your results are verified, you'll usually receive a notification, ensuring transparency in the process. It's important to note that while you're sharing your results, your personal information remains confidential. 1. Selective sharing. Only share with reputable third parties. Remember, it's your achievement, so share wisely. 2. Stay updated. Periodically check who has access to your results and revoke access if needed. And there we have it. Sharing and verifying your Cambridge English exam results is a breeze when you know the process. Remember, these results are a testament to your hard work and proficiency in English. Use them to open doors to countless opportunities. I hope this video was informative. Until next time, happy learning!